Sorry. So for all the naysayers who say, yeah, you can only trade in hindsight and only paper trade, and well, I don't see the difference in paper trading and trading on a real account, but yeah, when you're new to trading, then the anxiety of real money at stake may play a part, but I've been at this game for over 10 years now, so well, if you know what you're doing, then it's not about the money, it's about the setups and sticking to the plan. So to be honest, I have no freaking idea if this is going to work out, but what I do know is it meets my criteria for looking for a short. So that's why I'm going to look for a short, and that's why I put my indicator on this one over here, where I mark off the high and I mark off the low that's responsible for the breakup. And now we broke down, so now I'm just looking for a retrace. And if you're familiar with these names, this is called a flip entry, and you will learn this in the TGITM Academy. If you want to join the TGITM Academy, we have a flip entry. Well, to make it very quick is apart from where we are in the structure, flip entry is if we break away from a bullish order flow, then reject it and then break through, creating bearish order flow, and that's what we did here. Then the flip entry is, and your flip entry level actually is this level for a short. So let's put it on the 1 minute, because otherwise our charts get too cloudy. So if price trades to this level, we can enter a short, and that would be, I don't know how many pips, that would be 5.6 pips. It's a bit much to my taste. If this is our, well, actually this is our first level where we can bounce off. So the indicator also states here, this is our first level. Down here, I'll move it aside, this dashed line is also a level, and this is a critique level, and then the ultimate target is over here for our market maker buy model, sell model. So but we will just see, and the indicators where the indicator gives at this moment, because if price doesn't trade lower, it'll stay that way. My indicator will indicate that I have to enter at this level, and my stop loss will be here. And I don't know what the spread is, but I suppose it's euro, so euro is a very low spread. But I can adjust for the spread. I believe it's like 0.2 or something. So as soon as we enter, we will get a graphical representation. Enter this line, but in this case I would like to see price just trade a little bit lower, so that this gray line gets exactly on the line of the order flow. That would be very nice, but not necessary. So let's do the flip entry here with a small amount. So let's say we what is it, 5-6 pips, 6 pips. So we add a trade. I usually don't do this limits, but let's add a limit. Oh, that doesn't work like this. I have to do create new order, trade, create new order. Wow, let's say 500, no, 250 risk. Okay, our stop loss will be up here, which is 111.40. 1140, 11140, and our entry will be our entry is here, sell, boom. Oh, cool. Fuck it, the paper trading is in maintenance. That's too bad. Nah, whatever. We would enter here. You saw me enter, so let's get this one, and my stop loss will be here, and my risk would have been 250, so 0.25. Okay, and now let's get the stats in here. Settings. Maybe you don't know this, but if you get the stats here, you can see we could have traded with 4 lots. So our entry here would have been 4 lots. Where is it? Here. At this level, slightly lower, but at this level, okay, we added 4 lots. Okay. I'll move this one over here. It doesn't work. Yeah, no, it doesn't. Whatever. 4 lots. Let's do it on the close of the candle. Whatever. That's why I usually do not limit orders, but I just do market orders. And another order will be as soon as we touch this line over here, but I hope price will get there. The indicator also has the possibility to check for the distance when we take into account the candle close instead of the wicks. And we're almost there. And there we are. Boom. Okay, so this is our next trade. And this is our stop loss, and we can risk 13 lots. So I was gonna trade 13 lots on this level, just slightly lower, but 13 lots. Okay, so these are the 2 trades we are in. As soon as we take out this low, I will either move my stop loss from this entry to break even, or I'll take a partial off just as much as that if price trades to the upside and takes my stop, that I'll end up with a break even trade. So we'll see what will happen. You just saw the entry from the entry indicator, and it gives you the entry values, the stop loss, the lot sizes you can trade. It's all dependent on what risk you fill out here. Suppose you say I want 0.75 risk, then you will see that the indicator removes. That is a bug in the indicator. So the only way to see it now is to play, where is it, a replay, and then move your cursor before the entry, and then it will show you that there's another lot size, but let it be for now. It's fucking weird that I want to show you this in the real time, and now that there is a maintenance in the paper trading. That's very awkward and weird, but never mind. I'll just switch off the sound, if that's possible. No, it's not possible, because I want a cup of coffee, so this is gonna make some noise, guys. Where is my coffee cup? Here comes the noise. Okay, according, let's just wait for the coffee machine. According to what I teach in the 28-day to 100K challenge, you just mark off these lines and you put an alert on it. Move SL to BE or take partial. And you just get away from the chart. Otherwise, especially if you're a very nervous trader and anxiety trader, or just lost I don't know how much money, you're gonna push all kinds of buttons. And that's not the idea of the trading plan. The trading plan is let it all work out. So as soon as we trade through this line, I didn't put a line in here, but there is a alert. Let's put a line in there too. Let's color this one green for okay, we're in the green. And we'll color this one red. So now if we cross this one, we're in the red. And put an alert on it. And if we cross it, then our stop loss is taken and the setup failed. And that's a possibility, because we are dealing with possibilities and not with certainties. So we just wait and we see what will happen. In the meanwhile, I'm going to take a cup of coffee. Do mind that this is all tricky because we have FOMC today. Just a reminder. But market structure is market structure. And order flow is order flow. And trading plan is trading plan. Well, that's not quite correct, because in the beginning, you should state in your trading plan that you don't trade during the day of FOMC. Actually, I hope this one fails, so that would at least justify the fact that we don't trade on FOMC days. And if this turns out to be a winner, then everybody's going to say, you see, you can trade on FOMC. Never mind, this is just a concept. No further comment, we just wait which alert goes off first. That's all you do. Did I put it on the wicks or on? No, not on the wicks. Okay. Now I am on the wicks. I get a question. Let's check. Hey, we have an alert. Okay. And I got an email from TradingView. Move stop loss to break even. Oh, well, let's do that. At least for this one. Or we could take a small portion off, but let's just trade like this and we move our stop loss to break even. And this is our flip entry. Let's move our flip entry to break even also. So now we are in a trade and we are gonna win some. And what is some? Well, these green lines we see are very sensitive lines for a price, so we could take a small portion off if we are reaching this level, and it is also in confluence with well, there is a 1 minute POI zone down here, and that is touched, so this is old low now. If we take the old low, it would probably be wise to take something off. As soon as we touch the green line, so I'll yep, okay, so we take, let's say, 4 lots off. We have 9 lots over, in the trade, and I'll mark off that we did take off 4 lots here. And let's just close, because I don't actually trade the flip line. Let's just close the flip trade at all at this level. So there was a exactly a one-on-one trade, okay, but we didn't risk that much. 250, okay, so well, doesn't matter. It's not the money that counts. It's the strategy. So this trade was successful. We moved this one out of the way. We got 1 hour with a very small risk, and I believe we had a 500 risk here. I can check probably, but yeah, sure, I can check because it's in the indicator. Let's see. Oh, 75. Okay, we have $750 risk, and we booked 250, and from the, whoa man, this is a lot of calculations. But we'll do that afterwards. Oh no, I could just move this one to here. Okay. No, it says 500, but this needs to be 750 then. 750, okay. And we moved 4 lots, which is out of 13 lots. This is 1400, okay. Lots of calculations here. 13 lots, yeah. So the total amount was 1400 divided by 13 times 4 is, so this was $430. Okay, and this was I believe 250. Yes, so this one was taken off too, so another -4, but that was 250. Whoa. From the first trade. 250, okay. And now we need to get this one on top, okay. What a drag if the trading view, paper trading is in maintenance. Let's move this one back, because we said we moved our stop loss to break even here. So we still got 9 lots in our trade. And we're checking the bearish order flow, which turned bullish, because this just works like a breaker. So we are now entering the breaker here, and let's see if we can master that. And if you look close, you see we have another sensitive level here, marked out by this dashed line. That could also be a nice place to take some of. So let's see. And are we there yet? No. Yes, now we are. So let's take off 4 lots again. So now we're still left with 5 lots. And let's see how much this was. This was 750, and this was the level. The total was 19. No, oh yeah, this is, we have to calculate from here with 9 lots. Oh geez, this is gonna be what a pain in the ass it is when they do. I'm not gonna calculate any values anymore, because this is way too complicated for my brain. We just follow price. Our ultimate target is down here. Then we have finished our market maker sell model. This was a market maker buy model, and here you see the trading worked flawlessly. I assumed we were going up as of here. Well, that assumption was wrong, but a higher time frame indicated to me that we were going for the high side, so I waited till we rejected a higher time frame and put my indicator down here. And you've seen this in the back office, this setup where I traded this one up. And now I showed you how you wait for the order flow to switch from bullish to bearish, and then you enter right on the touch of the bearish order flow once we had the flip entry, and now you trade it just back down. And now in the meanwhile we have our new level here, which is also a sensitive level, and we could have taken something off at the high of this green zone, and even the middle of the green zone is a place where you could even close your trade. We usually say a 3R and then take 80% off. So we already have a lot off, but let's say we just close 2 more lots. So that means we remain 3 and we closed 3 lots. Whoa. That didn't work out very nice. Let's get rid of that one. And at this level, we closed out, whoops, 2 more lots. So now we move our stop loss from here all the way down to this high. So actually I have no way how to do this, just do it with a line. Let's see, order flow is here. Order flow, just move it above this order flow actually. Well, that's not very far. I don't want to lose anymore below this line, so I just move my stop loss down here for the remaining 3 lots, and the other 3 lots I want to see if we break the bullish order flow for our ultimate target, which is down here. Let's put an alert on the ultimate target, and we have our low here, which as soon as we take that one, is there an order? Here is one tiny bit, so how much lots do we have? I'm too late by now, but 3 lots. Well, let's just put an alarm on the low here. Okay, take last partial of create. Okay, well, we took the last partial off, so now we took 1 lot off and leave 2 lots, and now we move our stop loss from here all the way back to here, because I don't want to mess with this anymore. And here we took out 1 lot, 1 lot. Don't ever mind the dollar values, it's of no use. And we have, did I do this correctly? There was a 4 lot entry that was out here. We started with 13, minus 4 is 9, and 4 is 5, and 2 is 3, yeah, 1. So we still have 2 lots to go to our ultimate target, which is down here, which put an alert on this one. And say okay, ultimate target reached, and that would be the 3rd one of today, which is quite unusual. Oh, our last 2 are taken out because I moved my stop loss to here, so this is where our last 2 lots got out, and our trade is closed. And we don't give a rat's ass if this goes all the way down to, I don't know what, even to the 1.0, I don't care, because we have our strategy and our trading plan, and that's what we stick to. So if we check back to our initial entry, which was over here, which 4 pips, and we traded 17 pips, so that was a nice 4-hour trade. And you see, you don't need monster moves, all you need is good entries, but not fantasy entries based on structure, and that's what we teach at the 28-day to 100k challenge. And well, if you are curious about what you actually earned, well, I would say you got all the levels. Go ahead. But I'm not gonna do that. So I hope you found this, well, it's not actually a tutorial, it's more an explanation of how our indicator works, but there is something about our strategy also included here. And maybe it's nice I entered who got the biggest dick competition. ICT is fighting out with some of the guys on X. Well, Michael, if you hear this, I would like to participate, and I'm really curious who does have the biggest dick. Well, that's it, folks. Bye bye.